Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Suppose this is a right angle triangle at point Q. At point Q. Let the value of this angle be theta. If the value of this angle be theta, then the value of this angle will be what? The value of this angle will be 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Today I am going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. With respect to this angle, this side will be base and opposite of this angle, the side opposite to this angle will be perpendicular. And this is the hypotenuse. With respect to this angle, I am going to write the trigonometric ratios of sine. Sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to, as you know that sine 90 minus theta. Sine theta is equal to what? In case of sine, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is PQ. PQ upon PR. PQ upon PR. Similarly, we can write cos 90 minus theta. 90 degree minus theta. As you know that in case of cos, base upon hypotenuse. Here base is RQ. RQ upon RT. Similarly, tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is PQ. PQ upon RQ. PQ upon RQ. And cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to, as you know that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. If sine 90 minus theta is PQ upon PR, then cosec 90 minus theta will be reciprocal of this one, PR upon PQ. PR upon PQ. And sec 90 minus theta sec is the reciprocal of cos, then it will become RP upon RQ. And cot 90 minus theta is equal to RQ upon RP. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. If tan 90 minus theta is equal to PQ upon RQ, then cot 90 minus theta is equal to RQ upon PQ. Now I am going to write the trigonometric ratios with respect to this angle. With respect to this angle, this side will be perpendicular and this side will be base. With respect to this angle, opposite to this angle, this side will be perpendicular and this side will be base. Now I am going to write sine theta. Sine theta is equal to what? As you know that in case of sine, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, RQ upon PR. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Similarly, you can write cos theta. Cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse. Here base is what? Base is PQ. Base is PQ. PQ upon RP. And tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is RQ. RQ upon PQ. And cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to, cosec is the reciprocal of sine Here sin theta is RQ upon PR. Then cosec theta will be PR upon RQ. And sec theta is equal to RP upon PQ, because sec is the reciprocal of cos, and cot theta is equal to reciprocal of tan, PQ upon RQ. Here from these two table, now we are going to compare. The trigonometric ratios for 90 minus theta and theta. Here sin 90 minus theta is equal to PQ upon PR. Here PQ upon PR is equal to cos theta. These two values are equal to each other. The right hand side of this one and this one are equal to each other. Then we say that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. Second case, here cos 90 minus theta is equal to RQ upon RP. Here RQ upon RP is here. The right hand side of this and the right hand side of this one are equal to each other. Then we say that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to PQ upon RQ. And here PQ upon RQ is here. This is the PQ upon RQ. The right hand side of this one and the right hand side of this one are equal to each other. Then we say that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. For cosec 90 minus theta, here cosec 90 minus theta is equal to PR upon PQ. Here PR upon PQ is here. It means the right hand side are equal. Then we say that cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. For this one, sec 90 minus theta, sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta equal to RP upon RQ. Here RP upon RQ is here. It means sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta. And cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to here tan theta. Here RQ upon PQ, here also RQ upon PQ. It means cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Thank you, children.